This tree is crooked. It has no center in it, you know. I don't know if you can see that or not from the video here, but what's up, YouTube? We have got another limit pusher for you. You may be able to see it back behind us here, but it's a big half dead red oak. Half dead, half alive, okay? I tell you what, there's a big hanger up here. See that hanger there? And it's just hanging around. And I don't even know how it's hanging around in there. It's pretty, kind of just floating in there. Must be a little twig or something. You know how them trees, they just hold on forever. Well, there's that hanger, YouTube. Still barely hanging in there, but we got an air conditioner here. So we parked the loader in front of it. So if that limb happens to fall, hopefully it'll hit the loader before it hits the air conditioner. That's the culprit right there. So we are gonna get after it. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. You know, we get a little breakfast, get a little coffee, get all this equipment ready, do some maintenance, some filing, greasing, whatever it may be, okay? So anyways, enough talking. We're gonna get in the tree. We got the first big one here, YouTube. We got her strung up. We're gonna get her down. That's nice, Brad. Great job, buddy. Great job. Let her down. That's what I'm talking about. Production is good. Yes. Very well. Very well. I like that. Great job, guys. Moving on up, YouTube. We got two here, and I think we're just about to reach the top. We're going to top this baby out. Swing that top right there, right over to here, and I think we're going to top her out. Lower down fast as you can. Very nice, gents. Gosh dang, you guys are catching on quick. Very nice. Look at that hustle from these ground guys, YouTube. I tell you, you can't ask for better things. I got a great ground crew. Let her down, guys. Let her drop. Good, good, good. Hey, if that loader can't handle that, it needs to go back to the shop. Good job, guys. Good job. Well, 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 YouTube, we are working our way up to the top here, and we're getting rather close, okay? But I see all this dead behind me, so we need to get, you know, about right in there or so. Need to get a little bit off there. That way we can pull it over into this open lot, you know? We're only gonna take this tree down to about right here. and then it's go time. We're gonna tie a rope in this thing and be done with it. We are ready to get out of here on this big old monster tree. But thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this video, please be sure to leave it a like. Check out our channel, consider subscribing. 80% of our viewers are not subscribed. So we brought the zigzag up into the deal, YouTube, and the rope runner, you know? So we're gonna weasel our way over to there, try to get that big top out of here, and we may try to get some of that off, but I think it's gonna be okay. So we might leave that. We'll just have to see how I feel. She's a dead one. Stay clear down there. I don't know where you're at, but there's bark coming. Okay. Yeah, you'll be okay by the house. Just stay out direct underneath the tree, okay? Sorry about that. Didn't mean to spook you. Okay. Yeah, at our age, Brad, I'll throw my neck out trying to look for you. I'm only 36, YouTube, but it's old enough. I am getting to where I feel it, so. Yeah, that'll make some noise for you. Clear now. It is how it's done right there, boys. Woo, men. You know, boys, you guys are men. We are men in the house. Men, straight men. That right, Brad? Straight men. Okay, you ready? Run. That's right there, bud. Woo! That is good. Beautiful, Gus. Beautiful. Nice land, Brad. All right, what? I was thinking that exact same thing. Huh? Yes. Nice job. YouTube. We're at the top here. We got all the top there. We're over here on this stem now. Okay. This tree is crooked. It has no center in it, you know. I don't know if you can see that or not from the video here, but we're rigging them over to there. We're at the second to last limb here. This one's coming off. Then we're gonna tie this big and swing it on over to there. We're gonna bring you along. The loader and stuff, yes. Copy that? Nice job, Gus. So this is the final one, YouTube. We're gonna tie it right there and send it right over to there. Probably gonna barely miss the house, but we're gonna sweep it if anything. See the power plant way over there, YouTube, and next couple towns over. See the smokestacks over there. Believe that, Brad? See the power plant from up here. Look at that gnarly lean out, YouTube. The center was dead. But we got a, you know, a redirect ring down there, kind of like a fishing pole effect for this. So. Okay, Gus, now, once it clears the structure, you need to let this run. We're gonna go one wrap, okay? Nicely done. That is it, boys. That is it right there, just like that. Got that? All right, that's what we're looking for, guys. Yes, good job. Shoo-wee, YouTube. Golly, thank God that all went all right, you know? Got some virgins on the rope, you know, and ooh, big top for them guys, you know? But now they know what they're looking for, you know? Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Now hit the loader. YouTube, these guys are doing an outstanding job, you know what I mean? They're fairly green. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Like I said, praise your ground guys, you know what I mean? Overall, praise God. You know, he keeps us safe up in these trees, working on them, you know what I mean? Praise God. But after that, you need to praise your ground guys, because they're the backbone, like I'm telling you, you know? That final top up there, YouTube, we're gonna climb up there, and we're just gonna put a rope on it, break it right off into there. That's it, YouTube. I tell you what, top's off for this puppy. So we're just gonna choke this wood on down right there. We're gonna pull this thing over. We'll see you guys on the ground. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.